Hey sweetie, thank you for the comment and thank you for your request. I decided to go with this one with the bat liner. If I'm not mistaken, that's the type of liner that you usually use. Never try it, but I will try it today. Of course, this makeup will be my way, meaning my style of doing, and also because, well, I don't have the same products nor the same techniques, so I will improvise a little. This is creamy eyeshadow base from Douglas, this one. Next, from the Huda Beauty palette, I will go in with matte black, and that it's to create this line and to be able to blend it. I also don't have black gel liner, so yeah. When I said I don't know how to blend, I meant it. This is not how it's supposed to look, so I will redo it. This is the best I could do. Now I have to cut the crease and correct this. It's the third time I'm making it. Now adding the white. Wow. And now the liner. I hope I won't fuck it up. I need to do it in the mirror. I got it. All black. Surprise, motherfucker. Hallelujah. Now the inner corner. Foundation. Blush. Brows. Now some liquid highlighter. Let's keep it gothic with dark lipstick. So this is the final gothic makeup look inspired by you, girl. Thank you for a request. Now let's put an outfit together that will match this gothic makeup, so it will also be gothic inspired. So follow for more fashion related content.